We've all been there, haven't we? It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon on a Tuesday. You're staring at a computer screen. The words are starting to blur. Your eyelids feel like they have tiny little weights attached to them. You've got a massive to-do list. Deadlines looming. All you can think about is a nap, or a sugary donut from the canteen. That dreaded 3 p.m. crash is familiar for millions of us, grafting 9 to 5, buried in books at university. Your energy deserts you. Unfocused. A bit rubbish. You start the day with the best intentions. A quick coffee, maybe a piece of toast. Then you're out the door. Lunch becomes an afterthought. Something that seems healthy but is mostly bread. And a bit of sauce. Before you know it, your body is running on empty. You reach for another coffee, a fizzy drink, a chocolate bar. It works, for about 20 minutes. Then you crash even harder. It's a vicious cycle. It can make you feel like you're failing. But here's the secret, mate. It's not really your fault. We're time poor, stressed, and misled about healthy eating. This video is here to give you a proper, workable system. Hybrid meal prep. Steady energy. No more afternoon slumps. Let's have an honest chat about traditional meal prep. You've seen the rows of identical plastic containers. Chicken, broccoli, rice, cook once, sorted for the week, in theory. In reality, 4 hours cooking, a mountain of washing up. Monday's lunch is fantastic. Tuesdays is pretty good. By Wednesday the chicken's dry, broccoli soggy, and you're bored. By Thursday you avoid the box. Friday it's still there. Then in the bin. Time, food, and money wasted. Another pitfall, many quick options skew toward carbs. Big bowls of pasta, massive sandwiches, heaps of rice. Carbs are great, but without enough protein and healthy fats, blood sugar spikes, then crashes. Sleepy, foggy-headed. We've aimed for rigid, uninspiring meals and neglected the most important macronutrient for sustained energy: protein. Getting enough protein during the day is the secret weapon against the afternoon slump. It digests slowly, keeps you fuller, stabilizes blood sugar. So, if 5 identical meals is a recipe for disaster, what's the answer? Welcome to hybrid meal prep. Forget cooking full meals. Prep components: proteins, grains, veggies. Store them separately. Each day be a kitchen DJ. Mix and match into fresh, exciting meals in minutes. Make protein the hero. Aim for 30 grams each main meal. Around 30 grind supports muscle, satiety, and tames blood sugar swings, helping you sail past the 3 p.m. danger zone. Invest 1 hour on Sunday and a 30-minute Wednesday top-up. Core components ready, all week. Instead of cooking daily or queuing for a sandwich, you'll whip up nutrient-packed meals in under 10 minutes. Faster than takeaway. A brilliant meal prep session starts with a brilliant shopping trip, with a clear list. Without a plan, you'll wander, get distracted by biscuit offers, and come home with stuff you don't need. A simple list saves time, saves money, and guarantees everything you need for high-protein meals all week. Powerful proteins: skinless chicken, firm tofu, a dozen eggs, tins of tuna or salmon in water, plain Greek yogurt, full-fat cottage cheese, pre-cooked lentils, chickpeas, and black beans. Complex carbs: brown rice or quinoa, sweet potatoes, whole grain bread or wraps, and rolled oats. Vibrant veggies: salad greens, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, bell peppers, carrots, and don't forget frozen broccoli or mixed veg. Healthy fats: extra virgin olive oil, avocados, mixed nuts, seeds, flavor boosters, lemons, garlic, Dijon, smoked paprika, cumin, low-sugar hot sauce or soy. Frozen chicken strips, fish fillets, and vegetables are as nutritious, last longer, often cheaper, and cook from frozen. Grab multi-packs for beans and tuna. Read labels, look for higher protein, lower sugars. Invest in airtight containers, a variety of sizes for proteins, grains, veg, dressings. Clear containers make assembly even quicker. A couple of wide-mouthed glass jars are brilliant for layered work salads. Simple, versatile, easy-to-cook ingredients, that's the winning basket. Protein-focused list. More energy, better focus, fewer crashes. You're set for a stress-free week of eating that supports your goals. Right, this is where the magic happens. We'll invest about 60 minutes to set up a week of delicious, stress-free eating. Put on some good tunes, pour a glass of water, get ready. The goal is efficiency. We'll cook multiple things at once. Short, sharp, productive. Preheat the oven to around 200 degrees Celsius, 400 degrees fire. Grab 2 baking trays. Lay out chicken breasts. Drizzle olive oil. Season with salt, pepper, smoked paprika, or your favorite spice mix. On the second tray, chopped peppers, broccoli florets, red onion. Toss, with oil and seasoning. Pop both trays in. Veg, 20-30 minutes. Chicken, 25-35, depending on thickness. Get a pot boiling for eggs. Gently lower in 6, simmer 10 minutes for set yolks. Start your grains. Jaran ki, jarn bauber bauer de somin. Or jar de brine spiter drone don rice. Follow packet, set the timer, hands off. This multitasking is how we finish inside the hour. In the final 10-15 minutes, rinse beans and chickpeas, chop cucumber and tomatoes. Make a dressing. 3 parts olive oil, 1 part lemon or vinegar, teaspoon Dijon, pinch salt and pepper, lid on, vigorous shake, let everything cool completely. Store in separate airtight containers, job done, nice and simple. Packed lunches can be a drag, soggy sandwiches, sad salads, but this layered work jar is a game changer. Beautiful, flavor-packed, and stays crisp. Best of all, it delivers around 30 grams of quality protein and holds up to 4 days in the fridge. Grab and go. You've already prepped most of this. Here's what you need. Start with 2 tablespoons vinaigrette or Greek yogurt dressing at the bottom, half a cup cooked quinoa or brown rice, the flavor-soaking barrier, half a cup chickpeas or black beans. About a 100-gram chopped chicken breast, or a tin of tuna. Add chopped cucumber and halved cherry tomatoes. Pack the top with dry salad leaves like spinach or rocket. Screw the lid on. Done. When it's lunchtime, give it a good shake to distribute the dressing. Tip into a bowl, or just eat it straight from the jar. Zero fuss, maximum focus. There are days you want a warm, comforting meal, with zero energy to cook. Enter the 15-minute power bowl. Because your components are cooked, assembly is ridiculously quick and balanced. Method, not rules. 130 grain lean protein, half cup grains, a big cup veggies, healthy fats, lemon, salt, pepper. Pick your protein. Sliced chicken, marinated tofu cubes, or a couple of boiled eggs. Add half a cup brown rice or quinoa. Pile on a big cup of vegetables, roasted or steamed, like broccoli and peppers. Healthy fats, quarter of an avocado or a drizzle of olive oil. Want it warm? Microwave protein and grains, 60-90 seconds. Warm the veg if you like. Toss protein, grains, and veg in a bowl. Finish with lemon juice, a pinch of salt and pepper. Avocado or olive oil adds creaminess and helps your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins. Quick toss. Dive in. Proper, hearty meal. In minutes. Snacking isn't the problem, it's what we snack on. Biscuits, crisps, chocolate, istange, Crash City. Aim for at least 10 grams of protein to stabilize energy and keep hunger at bay. Plain Greek yogurt, 150 grounder packs 15-20 grounder protein. Stir in nut butter or top with berries. Grab a hard-boiled egg, pair with a small apple or a handful of nuts. Cottage cheese is an unsung hero, about 15 g protein per small pot. Pepper and tomatoes, or berries and a drizzle of honey. String cheese has 7 to 8 g protein, pair with mixed nuts for balance. Make no-bake protein balls, rolled oats, 2 scoops protein powder, half cup peanut butter, a few tablespoons honey. Mix, roll, chill, keep them in the fridge. The perfect little bites to refuel and keep your brain in the game. You've done the shopping, your 1-hour prep, and you're armed with great recipes. Let cooked food cool before refrigerating. Hot food raises fridge temperature. Airtight containers keep food fresh, stop flavors mingling, and prevent spills. Glass is fantastic. BPA-free plastic works too. Eat components within 4 days. Big batches like chicken or quinoa. Portion and freeze, ready for next week. Label with cook dates. Reheat meat until piping hot, 74 degrees Celsius. Wash hands before and after. Separate chopping boards for raw meat and veg. You don't need to be perfect. A simple, flexible plan works. Hybrid meal prep gives freedom and control. Helps hit protein goals and steady energy. Start small. Make 1 protein, 1 grain, 1 tray of veg. Try 1 prep session this week. Small, consistent steps equal big results. You've got this.